Hi guys, today I'm back with another mould to test out. Now this one is, I think, a llama. I buy so many moulds, I have no idea, but I think this one is a llama. So I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I have added this mica powder that I have. It is white, but it also has a purple iridescence to it, so it is quite nice. And that's what it looks like in the resin. As you can see, the purple iridescence. So I'm just going to fill up this mould and we'll see how it turns out. And if I was correct and it is a llama, we could be in for a surprise. Okay. So I will let that sit for a few minutes and then I will grab my little heat gun here and I will pop any bubbles that appear and I'll back with the unmoulding in about 36 hours. Okay, it has been a few days. Time to unmould this and see if I was correct. Yes, it does look like it is going to be a llama. Oh, wow, look at him. Isn't he cute? So nice. I love the textured finish on his body and the smooth nose and face. Look at that. So nice. Oh, I'll totally give this mould a go, guys. It has turned out tops. Well, catch me next time for some more resin mould testing. Bye, guys.